Okay, this is Maxwell just reporting from here in Oyibo, Igbocha, and here is Oyibo women. Let's hear from the first person. Please, can you tell us your name?
My name is Chikeze Mabonkiruka.
Okay, where do you come from?
I'm from Obibo, area 3.
And these are Oyibo area 3 women
In Igbocha.
in Igbocha. Okay, I can see your inscription which says "Keep your presidency. We want Biafra." Please, can you speak on this?
Yes. Keep your presidency, we want Biafra. Why I said this is that since Nigeria has gotten independent and they have been in this presidency, nothing good has come out of it. Instead, Nigeria has been going from bad to worse, worse to worst. And Nigeria has been killing their citizens. And Nigeria has been committing a lot of crimes. And for that reason, even as a Ohaneze from Biafra land are clamoring for presidency, we, the IPOB family, say no, we don't want presidency. What we want is Biafra.
Okay, we'll still come back to you. Please, can you tell us your position here as a woman? Can you tell us your position here?
Okay, my position in IPOB, I'm the National Women's Secretary, Biafra Land. I'm also Igbocha Women Metro, and at the same time, I'm Obibo Area 3 Women Leader.
Okay, back to what you just said. In conclusion, you said that the Biafrans don't want presidency, rather they want Biafra. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, here we still have the next person. Please, tell us your name.
My name is Pastor Chinyere Victor.
Okay, like we learned earlier, this is Oyibo area 3, and the inscription you have says "Break Nigeria Now." It says
Yes.
"Break Nigeria Now." Tell us something about this.
Yeah, the reason why is that Nigeria is no more existing. We don't want them to continue. They must break down. That is the agreement from women of area 3, Obibo, Igbocha. We say Nigeria break down.
All right, thank you very much. We also have the next person here. Here we have Biafra Freedom. Please tell us your name.
My name is Emma Kelvin Chinonso.
Okay, and what's your own name?
L-A-K-R-I-A.
All right. Here you have Biafra Freedom. Biafra Freedom. Others have said something based on what they have. Also, tell us something about this your own inscription you have here.
All we want is Biafra freedom. Nigeria is a curse. From the beginning up to date, they have killed us enough. Right now, all we need is Biafra freedom.
Okay. That means you don't also want Igbo presidency or anything else.
It is a curse before humanity. We don't want it. All we need is Biafra freedom.
Okay, do you also have something to add to this?
What she said is what we want. Biafra or nothing. Nigeria is insipid. So it's a cause to humanity. We don't need it.
Okay, thank you. We also have the next person here. Here we have Say More Lies. Save more lives by breaking Nigeria. Save more lives by breaking Nigeria. Tell us your name, ma.
My name is Emma Nkechi Martina Pilatus.
Okay, what you have says save more lives by breaking Nigeria. Tell us a little, tell us something about it.
Yes, what I have to say is that save more life by breaking Nigeria, because Nigeria is a curse. They have killed us, all our children, all our husbands. Nigeria has killed them all.
Okay.
Those people that they kill in war, those people that they kill in Bocha, they are still killing secrets up till now. The military and the police officers, they are called Boko Haram, but they put them in form of military. They are killing all our young boys. We said the word to save more life by breaking Nigeria.
All right, thank you very much. Here we have justice. The next one we have here says justice. Please, tell us your name.
My name is Pastor Intercede Nebu.
Okay, I like your inscription. It says justice.
Yes.
Okay, tell us something about it.
We need justice. As long as Nigeria don't want us to free, we need the whole world to rescue us from Nigeria. We need the Chukwu Okike Abiama to come to our rescue, to set us free.
All right, thank you very much. Here we also have Save Our Motherland Biafra. Save Our Motherland Biafra. Please, ma, tell us your name.
My name is Emma Ngozi Omushiba.
Okay, and what you have here is Save Our Motherland Biafra. Tell us something a little about this.
The reason why I say they should save our motherland is because Fulani Janjaweeds are killing us, raping our mothers, our daughters. We no longer go to our farms. We are living in fear in our own land. That is why I say they should save our motherland by conducting Biafra referendum.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, we also have Stop Killing Biafrans. The next one we have here is Stop Killing Biafrans. Please, ma, tell us your name.
My name is Teresa Manuel.
Okay, where is here precisely?
Here is area 3.
Here is Oyibo area
Area
3. Here you have Stop Killing Biafrans. Tell us something about it.
This Janjaweed, they have killing us enough. Since 1967, they have killing us. We said that enough is enough. They should stop killing us.
All right, thank you very much. We also move over to the next person. We move over to the next person. Here we have We Want Biafra, not Igbo presidency. We want Biafra, not Igbo presidency. I think days ago, Ohaneze Ndigbo said they want Igbo presidency, not Biafra. But here we have We Want Biafra, not Igbo presidency. Please, ma, tell us your own name.
My name is
Okay. What you have here says We Want Biafra, not Igbo presidency. Tell us something about it.
Yes, of course. Even since I was born, I've never had an Igbo man having a position, or they say he's president, and the Fulanis vow that Igbos will not go to that seat. Now it is too late for them begging us to give us a presidency. We are no longer interested. What we want is Biafra.
All right, thank you very much. We are still moving ahead, and these are Maxwell Chus reporting, and this is Obibo Area 3 women, and in an interactive session with Family Writers Press. We also have the next person here. Keep your presidency, we want Biafra. Keep your presidency, we want Biafra. Tell us your name.
My name is Accusations.
Okay, can you tell us something about what you are holding?
What I want to say is that they cannot bribe us with their presidency, because enough is enough. Just the way they bribed the Yorubas by giving Osibanjo deputy president, thinking they can bribe the Igbo now. They cannot use this presidency to make us forget about our goal. All we want is Biafra. We want freedom. We don't want the president.
Thank you very much. Here we have the next person, and what she's with says Biafra. Please, ma, tell us your name.
My name is Mwada Chidima.
Okay, you have you have in your hand Biafra. Tell us something about it.
Is Biafra, because we have struggled a lot for many years now. People are walking like elephants and eating like ants because we are under Nigeria. Therefore, we need Biafra so that there will be freedom in our land.
Yes.
Our women will not suffer again. Neither our youth will finish education, no work. Let them give us Biafra and things will move well with us.
All right, thank you very much. Good day, ma. Tell us your name.
I am Wada Sabina.
Okay, you have with you freedom.
Yes.
You have with you freedom. Tell us something about it.
Freedom, we want to be free from the country called Nigeria. Nigerian because Nigeria is evil and darkness. Therefore, we Biafrans, we are light. We want to ourselves from this so-called Nigerian, which is darkness. We want light, because light will bring so many things in our country if we enter Biafra land.
All right, thank you very much. We are still in the interactive session with the Oyibo Area 3 women. We also have the next person here, and she is holding Biafra is non-negotiable. Biafra is non-negotiable. Please, ma, tell us your name.
I'm Wada Nkechinere, Queenska Odu.
Okay, speak to us about what you have.
Yes, I'm here to prove it right because here in Nigeria we are suffering and politicians everywhere. This is causing Bible and corruption, killing everywhere. Women are now afraid of going to their farm. Now, very soon now, they are preparing for the next election. Politicians, they are now planning to kill our people in order to make sure that they reach their demand. Now, we don't need such thing in Nigeria again. We need Biafra. Biafra is our country, and when we get Biafra, we will have free liberty.
Okay, that's why you said that Biafra is non-negotiable.
Yes.
All right, thank you. We have here IPOB. The inscription says IPOB. Please, ma, tell us your name.
My name is Uzamaka Ruth Desmond.
Okay, you are holding a simple inscription which says IPOB. Talk to us about it.
IPOB mean when we shout IPOB, many people say one family needs our one family, our brothers and our sisters. They are killing us. We don't need anything. We need our one family.
Nice.
Shalom.
Okay, we have Stop Killing Biafrans. We have here Stop Killing Biafrans. Please, ma, tell us your name.
My name is Mrs. Chinyere Ejiogu.
Okay. You have here with you Stop Killing Biafrans. Talk to us about it.
Yes, I'm talking stop killing Biafrans because they are killing Biafrans people too much, especially our young boys.
Okay.
Many places, people are looking for their son that went out there, they did not see them again. Finally, they'll find out that they killed them inside one place or another.
Okay. Please, can you tell us, is there those you suspect are behind these killings?
Yes.
Okay.
Fulani.
Okay. Only the Fulanis.
Boko Haram. They are the one that killing. Police, army. See, everywhere now in this Ugwocha, Obibo, you will see them carry their van moving around, packing boys and moving. And if they carry those boys move, they will not return them back. They are going there to kill them. So we are crying the whole world to help us. Tell Nigeria, enough is enough. Let us stop killing our young boys and our men.
All right, thank you very much. We have next person here with Justice. Please, ma, tell us your name.
My name is Elizabeth Etta.
Okay, you have with you Justice. Talk to us.
Yes. In this country, Nigeria, we have been a slave to this Nigeria. And that is why I am here to call the God of justice, Chukwu Okike Abiara, to come and free us from this country, Nigeria, to Biafra.
Okay, in conclusion, you are crying for justice. You say there should be justice. We have the next one here is Stop Persecution of Christians. Stop persecution of Christians. Tell us your name.
I am Muslim.
Okay, you have Stop Persecution of Christians.
Yes.
Okay.
I am warning the Nigerians to stop persecuting our Christians. In Biafran land, Christians don't have freedom. Even in the church, they will enter there and arrest people. We don't want Nigerians again to be killing our Christians. Christians are in bondage in Biafra land.
Okay. We've heard from her. She said that Christians are being killed in Nigeria, and the Christians are mostly Biafrans. So she's saying stop persecution of Christians. We also have the next person here. We say Biafrans are not safe in Nigeria. Biafrans are not safe in Nigeria. Please, ma, tell us your name.
My name is Wada Evelyn Ikechukunenaya from Igbo.
Okay.
So I don't want we are not safe again in Nigeria. The reason is that as at yesterday by 3:30 p.m. at Oyigbo market here, they arrested 3 boys on their own. They put them in a van and nobody know their whereabouts today. What we are saying that we are not safe anymore is that when they finish our youth in the name of wearing uniform, 601 them to anywhere they like, you are angry. We are no more safe. Well, our future is no more to be heard if you are still being in this country called Nigeria. They are zoo, they want to finish up overnight. Enough is enough. We say no to Nigeria. We are going to our house, that is our homeland, Biafra land. Because of our night, they want to get us redded.
All right, thank you very much. Still we have this session with Oyibo Area 3 women, and I am Maxwell Chus. Here we have this person. She is holding Biafra, the hope of Africa and the poor masses. Biafra, the hope of Africa and the poor masses. Ma, please tell us your name.
My name is Teresa Osu.
Okay, can you
from area 3.
All right, can you speak about what you are holding?
Yes, why I'm saying this is Biafra is the hope of Africa. When Biafra comes, Africa will be free. All poor masses will be free. There will be no pain or no hunger in the land. That is the reason why Biafra is the hope of Africa.
All right. All right, thank you. We have the next one here. Conduct Biafra referendum. Conduct Biafra referendum. Please, tell us your name.
My name is Chinyere Hemnacho.
Okay, here you have conduct Biafra referendum. Talk to us about it.
Yes, why I say Biafra referendum is this. It's better than they conduct this Biafra referendum before it gets too late. Because we know, everybody knows that when Nigeria and Biafra agreement has expired, the immigration has expired, and they're hiding everything, not us to understand. We know that the expiring date on 2014, so they're hiding everything. But now, let them conduct referendum before the madness of women will rise up. We don't want killing again.
All right, in conclusion, you are urging the world leaders and viewers all over the world to support the call for the conduction of Biafra referendum.
Yes.
All right, thank you. We have the next person here. She's have Biafran Lives Matters. Biafran Lives Matters. Please, tell us your name.
My name is Ruth Azbike. I'm from Obibo.
Okay, here you have Biafran Lives Matters, that the lives of Biafrans matters a lot. Tell us something about it.
Yes, I can say it. Biafran lives matters. We need peace for Biafra.
Okay, in conclusion, you are saying that they should stop killing Biafrans, that their lives also matters. All right, thank you. Okay, here we have, I think we have a guest. Here we have a special guest, and he have here freedom. Tell us your name.
My name is Percy.
Okay, and what you have here is freedom. You are holding what they call freedom. Can you tell us something about it?
I need freedom.
Okay, you need Biafra freedom. All right, thank you very much. Good day, ma. Please tell us your name. Okay, Injinaka say stop killing Christians. Stop killing Christians.
Ụmụ Biafra ka ha na-egbu. Ọkụ n'aka Chukwu okike abịama gọziri ibuli ya elu otu o kwesịrị ka ebulie ya. N'ihi na ụmụ Biafra na-efe otu o kwesịrị, na-ebuli ya elu, na-aja ya mma n'ụzọ pụrụ iche site n'ịkpọ ụmụ ha aha, site n'ime ihe ọbụla nwunye ha ga-eme ka hapụ ịkpọ ha Chukwu okike abịama. Onye m ji sị ka ha kwụsị ị na-egbu ụmụ Chineke tere mmanụ, n'ihi na tutu eke ụwa ọ mara na ọ nwere ndị ga-efe ya n'ụzọ kwesịrị ekwesị ụmụ Biafra. So m chọrọ ka ha kwụsị igbu ụmụ Biafra, ka ha nwee ike fee Chineke n'ozuzu oke otu o kwesịrị ka eji wee fee ya. Onye m ji sị ka anyị nwee freedom.
Okay, ole ndị ma na-egbu ụmụ Chineke na
Ọ
Nigeria?
ndị zoo, ndị aboki.
That was
Aboki
that,
ndị ebeghị ugwu.
that,
Fulani
that,
ebeghị ugwu.
that is ndị ugwu Hausa.
Ndị ugwu Hausa ndị ebeghị ugwu. Ndị asabeghị ha ọnụ ha asa.
Okay.
Asabeghị ha ahụ o.
Ọha ndị na-egbu ụmụ Chineke
Ha
na
na-egbu ụmụ
Nigeria.
Chineke.
Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Okay, still moving ahead. You've heard from the last person. She spoke in Igbo, and she said they should stop killing Christians. In conclusion, she said that Christians are being killed in Nigerians, Christians which are mostly Biafrans, and she said that those killing Christians, they are not. That is the Muslim, the Islamic from the north of Nigeria. So she is believing that Christians, that they should stop killing Christians. Okay, here we have the next person, and the description says Biafra is the solution. Biafra is the solution. Please, ma, tell us your name. Okay, ihe iji n'aka n'okwu bekee ọ sị Biafra is the solution of Christians. Gwa anyị okwu maka ihe iji.
N'okwu n'okwu ikwere, because Eli Igbochabu Eli ikwere. Hazi ha bụ Biafra is the solution. Ya mere m n'aka okwele ma bọharụ ndị Biafra bụ ala eleba. Siba alala mmekpe ihe zi na Nigeria. Ọ bụrụ na bahala Nigeria no bahala Biafra, Biafra ala eleba. Ozuma ha zi na Nigeria. Nigeria kwelem. Nigeria dala kuwa liwama. Nigeria liwama nam. Ozuma ha zi na Nigeria. Ile anya ha ozu ha za. Bo Vietnam visitors ndị Boko Haram ji Benin Republic, mandaji Congo, mandaji Morocco, babia maọbụ ndị Biafra. Okwele Biafra ha bụ problem ba. So ha makanu okwele ma baharụ ndị Biafra la n'ụba ọbụla ndị Biafra zi. So ọbụla ya ọzụ udo ya ezinu ndị Nigeria. So Biafra is the only solution. That is the only solution. If you give us Biafra, there will be peace in the whole world. If there is no Biafra, there is no peace in the whole world. Nobody will have peace.
All right. She just spoke Ikwere. That is Ikwere language in Biafra land, and she said much. She said they should stop killing. That Biafra is the solution.
That is the only solution.
The solution. She also spoke about how Biafrans are being maltreated in Nigeria and the rest of them. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, we have the next person, and what we have here said Nigeria is a crime against humanity. Nigeria is a crime against humanity. Please, tell us your name.
My name's Chibuzo Rita Uchenna.
Okay, this is Oyibo Area 3.
Yes.
Okay, based on what you have in hand, which is Biafra is Nigeria is a crime against humanity. Talk to us about it.
Nigeria is a crime against humanity because bribery, corruption, killing, and rape is order of the day in Nigeria, more especially in our educational system. Our children will have a high mark, and you will not gain admission into the universities, except you pay a huge amount of money, called hundreds of thousands. But you will see an Hausa man, the Fulani, the Boko, will score a very low point, and you gain admission of his own course in any university of his choice. Therefore, we are saying no to Nigeria. Nigerians are supposed to protect their citizens. But in return, what do we have here is what? Killing, rape, bribery, corruption in Nigeria. Therefore, we are saying no to Nigeria. All we need is Biafra. Biafra or nothing more.
All right, thank you very much. Okay, still moving ahead. This is an interactive session with Oyibo Area 3 women. It's an interactive session with Oyibo Area 3 women. And this is Steve Maxwell Chooks reporting. We have another person here. Okay, and the inscription she have here said, "Keep your presidency, we want Biafra." Please, tell us your name.
My name is Gifuro Okojaja.
Okay. Please, can you?
from Opopokoro province of Biafra land.
Okay. Can you tell us? Talk to us about the scripture you are holding.
The description I'm holding said, keep your presidency. We need Biafra.
Okay.
So before I go on, I have to greet my Opobians with my greeting. Opopo, omie, omie. Opobians, omie, omie. Biafra, wamina, ama. Biafran, wamina, ama. What we need is Biafra. We don't need any Nigeria. We don't need any zoo. We don't need anything about Nigeria because they are disappointment. They have been maiming us. They have been suffering us. They have been calling us all sorts of names. We are not. And we are saying we are making noise. We are not making noise. So with this, I want to make a song that tell them that we are not making noise, that we Biafrans are people of reality. And Biafra is free. This music goes like this. Towa minga fimiarie. Towa ninga fimiarie. Towa ninga fimiarie. And Izu and the colonized masters. Biafra has come. I say, Towa ninga fimiarie. Towa ninga fimiarie. Towa ninga fimiarie. And the evil men and the saboteurs. Now the Kanu has won. Hey, Towa ringa fimiarie. Towa ringa fimiarie. Towa ringa fimiarie. The evil politician and the evil men. Biafra has come. Hey, Towa ringa fimiarie. Towa ringa fimiarie. Towa ringa fimiarie. Ibani murume, Ijo murume. Biafra, wamina hamae. Ibani murume, Ijo murume. Biafra, wamina hamae. So, this tells them that we are not making noise. They say we are making noise, but I'm telling them with this song that we are not making noise. They are the saboteurs. That what we are planning, being Biafra, must actualize, and Biafra has come. I'm also sending message to my people that we have no other home than Biafra. Oh hey, Biafra.
Okay. Still moving ahead. We have the next person in a minute. Please, tell us your name.
My name is Lucky AJ.
Okay, and you have here Biafra is the solution. Talk to us about it.
Yes, I'm saying that Biafra is the solution because if you look around in this Biafra, there is no school, there is no hospital, there is no good road. We are suffering. When we, the mothers, are going to market, before we will come back, we left our house by 5 o'clock and we will be there till 6 o'clock looking for motor because of bad road. They will charge us a lot. No, our children cannot go to school and learn well because of no equipment in the school. There is no hospital. When we go to hospital, there is no equipment to treat our sickness and our diseases. Therefore, I'm saying that Biafra is the solution. In the name of Chukwokika Abiyama.
All right, thank you very much. Yeah, we have here we have the last group, and also we have another special person, and she has here stop killing Biafrans. Tell us your name.
My name is Deborah Chinda.
Okay. What you have here says stop killing Biafrans. Can you talk to us about it?
The word tell Nigeria to stop killing Biafrans.
Okay, that means you are telling the world to compel Nigeria to stop killing Biafrans. All right, thank you. Here we also have another one, Biafran Lives Matters. Please, tell us your name.
Aminkere Ekaite Victory Promise.
Okay. Where do you come from?
Minto Akwa Ibom.
Okay.
Bible adeke isonwa Biafra.
Okay. Mofo Ekama, what Biafra lives matters.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
okay, Biafra life amata the zoo country, Nigeria, Fulani, Eituro, Amo Igbo nditoji, ego ma nto ego nditoji, mparawa nyine ego ma ebe nyino, nyine karaki ka ikodikito yingwan, ajirito yingwan, ifefe kiko, nto na Nigeria Igbo jire. So mo ja Nigeria true, Amo Igbo nditoji, ja Biafra eba kemi.
Okay. Mofo the IPOB member.
Yes, I'm in the IPOB member.
Okay.
Mike Oyibo, Area 3. Women.
Okay. Mfo Jem Kenan Biafra area.
Yes, and you jump the Biafra area.
All right, thank you very much. Okay, in conclusion, yeah, we move to the in conclusion, we move to the Oyibo area 3 woman leader. Let's hear from her. Okay, so far, tell us your name again.
My name is Ezinne Chikeze Mabo Kiroka.
Okay, so far we've heard from everyone here, and we want you to conclude based on everything they have.
Yeah, just like what we have the description we have written on the cardboard paper. We are saying that we are Biafrans. We are Biafran women, and the Biafran women in Obibo, area 3. We are concluding that we have rejected Nigeria. That is the simple word I want to use to tell you that it covers all what we have written here. We have rejected Nigeria, and we have reasons of why we rejected Nigeria. Nigeria is a country that is killing her citizens. Nigeria is a country that has no president. The president has died since 2017, January 27th. And since then, Nigerians have been telling their citizens lies about the death of their president, Muhammadu Buhari, who died since 2017. And they have been using impostor or whatever to deceive a lot of the citizens. And since then, a lot of things have gone wrong. Killings every blessed day. In a daily basis, you will be hearing a lot of killings. Kaduna, they are killing the Christians there. The Biafran land, they are killing the Christians and all the Biafrans, most of the Biafrans, and they are killing secretly. So, and because of that, we, the women, on behalf of other Biafran women, we are saying we don't want Nigeria. We don't want Nigeria. Let them give us Biafra. And because of that, let me tell you, they are talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I want to tell the world that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has duplicated himself a lot.
Yes.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is even in the women. Even as I'm speaking now.
Yes.
I am ready. Even if he drops, I will pick it up.
Yes.
Because I am no more a Nigerian. I have anything about Nigeria is giving me sickness. And I want to live. And likewise others. So we don't want Nigeria. Please, let the world tell Britain to leave us because they are the cause of everything. Britain, they are the cause of everything. That's the problem we are having today. But if they don't want us to live in peace, let them bear it in mind that when we start, this time is not even the men. The women will stand up to fight the war. We stand up to fight the war. Enough is enough. Our sons are dying secretly. There's no job. Look at all the graduates, better than even the Fulanis in the offices. Even better than whoever they call the president. But today, there's no job for them. They are all keke riders, motorcycle riders. It's when they open their mouth to speak, you see the intelligence in them. They will see us.
So far, we've heard from them. So far, we've heard from them, and it's precisely Oyibo area, 3 women.